Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you Excel Solver tool and I will show you simple ways on how you can benefit from it. Let us see how to use this Excel Solver tool to solve your complex problems. See, I've taken one example. To show you how to use this solver tool. So this example, total production cost, number of units produced, cost per unit, and number of units sold, price, sales value, and get a profit of 1 lakh. So let me first, before going to this solver function, I will explain you the goal seek. So basically, goal seek tool is the updated version of solver tool. Goal seek is restricted to one single input variable, but there are many input variable we can give in solver tool, and this goal seek where you can go to under data tab, go to this what if analysis, then goal seek. Let me show you how it works. Select a cell you want to change. I'll tell you what are the criteria and why I'm selecting this. Here the total production cost is 5 lakh and I sold 6 lakh, then I get a profit of 1 lakh. So I want a profit of 2 lakh. So to get a profit of 2 lakh, how much quantity I have to sold? I have to sell how much quantity? Let's enter the value 2 lakh. So to get a profit of 2 lakh, how much quantity? So I want to sold. Select this range. Here the meaning of this selection is, first I want to change this value to 2 lakh. So I selected this field in this set. Then I enter 2 lakh. Then at what by changing cell, which cell you need to modify. Because of changing this cell, you can get a profit of 2 lakh. Let's give OK. So see the goal seek status. So to get a profit of 2 lakh, I have to sold number of units sold to be 4,666. So you can also, one more example, go to goal seek to get a profit of 2 lakh. How much price I have to sell? Just this. Okay. So to get a profit of 2 lakh, you have to sell at a price of 175. This is about goal seek, and it's restricted to select input variables one field only, one cell only. Now we will move to solver tool. Solver is very powerful tool and it can do complex statistical modeling problems. We can call it as solver is a advanced version of goal seek. A lot of people avoid this solver because they think it's more complex. I'll show you how simpler this is, and I will help you to solve the complex problems. Let me, by default it is there. Let's see how to enable this solver function. Go to file, then option. So in this add-ins, then solver add-in, select this, and Excel add-in, then click go. So by default it is tick is there because I already enabled it. If it is not available on your Excel, just Tick this one and give OK. So it will display here, and you can go to data tab. Under the data tab, the right side you can found this solver function. Okay, select this solver. Same way what we did in GoalSeek tool. Select this E6. Okay, and I want a profit of 2 lakh. So, by changing this unit sold, so you can solve. So solver results display. So to get a profit of 2 lakh, you have to sold your product 4,666 units. Okay, cancel this one. Let me explain you. This is simpler. We can do this in GoalSeek itself. So what's special in this solver? Let me explain you. Okay, same field setter. Here 3 options are there. One is to maximum and minimum value. This is nothing but maximum greater than minimum and is equal to. You can select this one and fix the value, type the value here. So here I can set the value. Given entered value is 2 lakh. By changing the criteria now, this one I want to change. Then my unit price also I want to change. Okay, multiple criteria are set in one field, and also you can set the criteria. Constraints. So for this cell reference, it should be taken. Set a constraint. It should be less than or is equal to 4,000. Let's see, 4,500. So 4,500. Then add another constraint. Like price is 150. So it should be 160. Let's assume 160. 10 rupees are increased. So give OK. See, I have given 2 constraints by these 2 cells. Let me give to solve this. So solver found a solution. So I want 2 lakh profit. To get a profit of 2 lakh, I have to sold products at this much unit, 4375. So my criteria is maximum 160. So it is changed from 150 to 160, and my sales was also increased, and I got a profit of 2 lakh. This way you can analyze your data. And also one more example I want to tell. Just go to this ad. If you don't want your data to be decimal, you have to set the cell. For example, here 4,000 units. Sometimes answer will come 4,000.66 decimal. If you don't want that one, just click this integer and add. And like this price also, just click this one and integer and OK. And also there are 3 methods available in this solving method. One is GRG nonlinear, then simplex LP and evolutionary. GRG nonlinear, it will give you an optimal solution, and evolution is a global optimal solution. It takes time to run the your result, and you need to define upper and lower bunch of your variables. Most cases GRG nonlinear and is also the fastest one. You can choose nonlinear because mostly I'm also working in non-linear type of functions only. And one more is simplex LP. It's limited to its application because it can be applied to problems containing linear functions only. That's why it is limited. Usually people will work on non-linear type, so I'm selecting this non-linear to solve. So if you give OK, it will change. So here this solver results won't affect your formulas. So here I entered one formula, it won't affect your formulas. See, it will only modify your input cells only. So okay, this is about solver. I will explain you with one more example. Suppose budget allocation analysis. Suppose if your manager is given this last year data to you to allocate a budget for the current year. So this 2,30,000 is the budget amount that it was allotted to 4 machines, fixed cost, variable cost, and the total cost is 2,30,000. This is last year data, and you want to ask a proposal for the next year, current year. For example, proposal total is 2,35,000. It's an example. So I want this 2,35,000 to be splitted in this 4 machines. This entire 2,50,000. These 4 machines going to use for the current year. So let me solve this problem with the solver, and my constraint is total budget should not exceed 2,35,000 because my allotted amount, the maximum I can ask is 2,35,000, and variable cost should not exceed 25,000. So maximum here last year used is 25,000, and that's total cost should not exceed 65,000. Here also maximum is 65 used. So with this constraint, let me use this solver function. Okay. Okay, choose this. I want to change this total cost, total budget amount. Value, you can enter the which amount is 2,35,000 is my proposal amount. What are the changing? So fixed cost is defined, you cannot touch in that one. You can change only to this variable cost. My example I given only one. So then add constraints. So first one is my budget should not exceed okay, total amount is this one, just click this one, should be less than or is equal to, or I get here because maximum amount I will ask now. So 2,35,000. 2,35,000. Okay. It should be 2,35,000. Okay. Then add another constraint. So my variable cost should not exceed 25,000. Let's select variable cost. It should be should not exceed, so it should be less than or is equal to this one. So next add another. Total cost should not exceed 65,000. So total cost select, then should not exceed, that means less than or is equal to 65,000. So like this you have to add your constraint, then click OK. So whatever you are added is shown here, and I want the data should be integer, not the decimal. So I'm adding one more constraint. So the total cost, variable cost, you cannot this cell is fully used for formulas. So this one plus this one is equal to total cost. You cannot give cell reference as formula 1. So then select integer. Okay. So my answer will come integer, not in the decimal. Let's solve this one. So solver results given, found an integer solution. So maximum I can able to change the variable cost only. So as per my criteria, variable cost should not exceed 25,000. So maximum it is there. It should not exceed 25,000, and total cost should not exceed 65,000. So it is 65 and below as per my criteria, and total budget is that 2,35,000. So by this way you can use this solver function and analyze your data.